Hey, this is my bike check. Start up in the front. Colt Vans grips. Colt leader bars. Stock Eastern stem that came on my Eastern growler. Colt OS 21-inch raw. Stock Eastern forks. Stolen revolver front rim sealed. Colt dehart tires front and back. Odyssey twisted PCs. Eastern stock cranks. Odyssey MDS sprocket. Macneil fat capital seat. Eastern bi-rectional, but I'm getting a primo mix here soon. Shadow interlock chain. Colt dehart tire in the back, same as front. Shadow conspiracy little one in the front peg. Shadow hub guard. Animal butcher bag in the front, and shadow hub guard in the front. Alright, that's my bike. Hope you liked it.